In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable dark mode in Slack. Change theme tutorial. If you spend a lot of time in Slack, switching to dark mode can make your workspace easier on the eyes, especially in low-light environments. I'll walk you through the exact path in the desktop or browser version of Slack, so you can make the change quickly and confidently. First, open Slack and make sure you're on the main home view of your workspace. This is the screen where you see your channels and direct messages listed in the left sidebar. If you have multiple workspaces, just make sure you're in the one you want to adjust. Nothing else needs to be open right now. Next, look to the very bottom left corner of Slack. You'll see your profile area there. This may show your profile photo, your display name, or a small avatar. Click that profile section. A compact menu will appear with a few personal options and settings. From that menu, click Preferences. Preferences is where Slack keeps all of your personal app settings, and this is the safest place to make visual changes without affecting anyone else in your workspace. When the Preferences window opens, you'll see a list of categories on the left. Now, click Appearance. This panel controls how Slack looks and feels for you. You'll find options related to the overall theme, message display density, and other visual tweaks. We'll focus on theme here, so you can switch the interface to a darker palette that reduces glare. Under Theme, select Dark. The change applies immediately, and you'll notice your channels, messages, and sidebars adopt a deep background with lighter text. This contrast is designed to reduce eye strain and can be particularly helpful during long sessions or late-night work. If the look doesn't suit you, you can return to this same appearance section anytime and switch back to light, or explore other visual options later without affecting your message history or notifications. A quick tip as you evaluate the new look. Give it a minute as you scroll through a few channels and threads. You'll get a better sense of readability across mentions, code blocks, and attachments. The change you've made here applies to your Slack view on this device or browser session, and you can always revisit Preferences if you need to adjust anything. That's all there is to it. Open Slack to Home, click your profile in the bottom left corner, go to Preferences, open Appearance, and choose Dark. Enjoy a more comfortable, focused workspace. Thanks for watching, and happy Slacking.